Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Guru, your go-to source for in-depth tech reviews. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the OPPO A5x, a budget-friendly smartphone packed with some impressive features. Let's dive right in. Coming to the unboxing, you get the OPPO A5x itself, a 45-watt SUPERVOOC charger, a USB Type-C cable, SIM ejector tool, and a protective case as well. Now coming to the design and the display, the OPPO A5x is available in two colors, midnight blue and laser white. It has a sleek design with a weight of about 193 grams and slim 7.9mm profile. The display is a 6.67-inch LCD panel with a resolution of 720 and 160 pixels. While it's not full HD, it's bright at 50 nits of typical brightness and even 1000 nits of highest you can get. So it is not that great for the outdoor scenario. You will definitely need some shadow to see the display. Well, the best part is that this phone comes with a 90 Hz of refresh rate that can be good for those who want to do some gaming on this phone. On the camera part, you get 32 megapixel wide angle from which you can expect some decent shots in daylight, and on the front part you get 5 megapixel selfie shooter that is quite basic for video calls and normal selfies. Shooting modes include night, portrait, pro mode, panorama, dual view video, and more. On the video part, you can record at 1080p at 30 fps on the back camera. On the selfie part also, you can record at the same resolution. Now, looking directly towards the performance and the storage part, you get MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset. That is a decent chipset at this price. You can do multitasking, but not that heavy gaming you're looking for. On the storage and the RAM part, you can choose from these four options: 4GB plus 64GB option, 4GB plus 128, 6GB plus 128GB, and 8GB plus 128GB. So you have a lot of options accordingly what you need to do on the phone. Well, directly jumping to the most highlighted part of the phone is the battery. Yes, you get 6000 mAh battery. That is quite massive for this price point, and you also get 45 watt of SUPERVOOC charging. So you don't have to worry about the phone's charging for at least 2 days. It will last easily. On the security part, you get a side-mounted fingerprint sensor with facial recognition as well. Talking about the connectivity, there are multiple network versions, up to 6 in total, covering different LTE bands, so it should work well in most regions. Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0 and 3.5mm headphone jack are also included, though there is no NFC support here. On the software part, this phone is on Android 15 with ColorOS 15. Those who are really big fan of ColorOS would love this phone, but I am not, so I would personally say there is a lot of bloatware that can annoy you. Now directly, it's time to jump towards the conclusion. I would say the OPPO A5x isn't meant to be a flagship, but it brings a solid set of features for its budget-friendly price. Big battery, decent camera, and I would say for the daily needs at price of ₹14,000, this is a decent phone to buy. Well, if you're looking to purchase this phone, the links are given in the description. But before leaving the video, do not forget to hit the like button and share button and the subscribe button for us to create some amazing content for you. See you guys in the next one. Till the time, take care.